Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Here we are with just 10 minutes to spare, so let's go ahead and start this workout. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just demonstrate all the exercises that we will be doing in the spare of 10 minutes of our time. And it's pretty simple. It's a beginner workout, no equipment. We will not be jumping, so you don't have to worry about being too strenuous on your body. This is a very much beginner type of exercise, so don't think about it too much. All you have to do is follow along to the exercises. And then after that, I'm going to just go ahead and go through the workout for the 10 minutes myself. This is a circuit, so once we are done with the 10 minutes, I will have a reflection at the end, and we'll just kind of, I guess, engage through the comments. But the only thing I do want to let you guys know, we have 6 exercises that we will be completing, and we have 3 sets that we will be basically going through them as. So after each set, we will be resting only for 30 seconds, and then we'll go right back into the same 6 exercises for another 2 sets. So again, I'm going to go over the exercises on the screen with you, and then I'm just going to be quiet and I'm going to go through my workout myself. So we are not going to take this video any longer, and we are going to start these exercises.
So the first exercise up that we're going to do are squats. You just want to make sure you are shoulder width apart. You don't want to be too far out, too far in. You want to make sure when you're squatting to watch out for your back overextending and arching. And you also don't want to go forward too much. You just want to be at a neutral squat and just squat down and keep your feet steady, planted on the ground. And you do not want to raise your heels. So the next exercise we are going to do are lunges. We're going to be doing reverse lunges, so each leg will be going back one at a time. So make sure you are using one leg at a time and counting 1. Do not stay on one leg for the full 30 seconds. You want to make sure that opposite leg going back. The main target on this exercise is going to be the forward leg. So you want to use most of your strength coming from the forward leg. And you want to push through your heels when you are doing a lunge. You should feel it more dominant in the leg in front of you, not in back of you. Going into the next exercise, we are going to be performing a bird dog exercise. And what that is basically is kind of in the position of doing donkey kicks, but instead of kicks, you're going to have your leg straight up and you're going to have the opposite arm going up as well. So as you see, I have my left leg going up and the opposite arm is my right. And you're basically going to perform the same thing on the opposite side of your body. Make sure you're staying steady. You don't want to rock too much, and you want to make sure your core is engaged. Now going into the 4th exercise, we are doing the girls' favorite, glute bridges, and all you are needing to do is make sure your back is planted onto the mat and your pelvis is going upward. You do not want to put an extra arch in your back, so your back is going to be planted flat into the mat, literally. When it comes to your feet placement, I usually try to measure my middle finger with my heel, and that usually isn't too close up or too far back. Going into the next exercise, we are going to be completing reverse crunches. For the reverse crunches, we are going to be in a rocking motion as well as pulling ourselves upwards. And when our legs are coming down, we are not touching the floor completely. And when you are doing this exercise, I do want to emphasize to make sure you are feeling this in your core and not your lower back. If that is the case, do it again and make sure you are just feeling it in your core. Going into our last exercise, we are going to be performing high crunches. Our legs are in a tabletop position and our back is planted to the mat. And what you're doing is just raising to the sky, not super high up, but just raising high enough. And you're not rocking and you are not going to be extending your legs. After that, that will be completed for the circuit of our 10 minutes.
about what I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Peace, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need humanity. You're like humanity, only humanity, craving humanity. You're like humanity, I need humanity. I need everybody wanna be beautiful, scared of the unusual, scared of giving mutual respect. All that you hate, you reflect. All that God like you forget. How to love somebody. I hate everybody, I hate everyone. Let's talk about AI. Look back, I'm more hurt than I. Look back at future, I won't. Look back, you sleep at night. Don't bow me down. I'm wide open, I'm awake. I'm on autopilot. I'm not over, I'm running. I'm wide open. Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need humanity. You're like humanity, only humanity, craving humanity. You're like humanity, I need humanity. I need. Everything disgusting, conversation is so boring. Heard about what I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Peace, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need humanity. You're like humanity, only humanity, craving humanity. You're like humanity, I need humanity. I need everybody wanna be beautiful, scared of the unusual, scared of giving mutual respect. All that you hate, you reflect. All that God like you forget. How to love somebody. I hate everybody, I hate everyone. Let's talk about AI. Look back, I'm more hurt than I. Look back at future, I won't. Look back, you sleep at night. Don't bow me down. I'm wide open, I'm awake. I'm on autopilot. I'm not over, I'm running. I'm wide open. Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need humanity. You're like humanity, only humanity, craving humanity. You're like humanity, I need humanity. I need. Everything disgusting, conversation is so boring. Heard about what I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Peace, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need humanity. conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Peace, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need humanity. You're like humanity. Only humanity. Craving humanity. You're like humanity. I need humanity. I need anybody wanna be beautiful. Scared of the unusual. Scared of giving mutual respect. All that you hate, you reflect. All that God like you forget. How to love somebody. I hate everybody. I hate everyone. Let's talk about AI. Look back, I'm more hype than night. Look back at future, I won't. Look back, you sleep at night. Don't bow me down. I'm wide open, I'm on way. I'm on autopilot. I'm all over, I'm running. I'm wide open. Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need humanity. You're like humanity. Only humanity. Craving humanity. You're like humanity. I need humanity. I need. Everything disgusting, conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Peace, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need humanity. You're like humanity. Only humanity. Craving humanity. You're like humanity. I need humanity. I need anybody wanna be beautiful. Scared of the unusual. Scared of giving mutual respect. All that you hate, you reflect. All that God like you forget. How to love somebody. I hate everybody. I hate everyone. Let's talk about AI. Look back, I'm more hype than night. Look back at future, I won't. Look back, you sleep at night.
We have finally just completed a 10-minute spare time of your day. All you are doing is sparing 10 minutes of your day with this exercise, and you guys definitely completed that. I am so proud of everyone who actually came across this video. I will be posting 2 videos a week, basically just 10 minutes to spare your day. All you're gonna be doing is a follow along video just like you just saw. And I hope it obviously gets better and better. This was the first one in a long time. So for me, I feel like the clock was running a little fast, or I was just going too slow. I don't even know. This is my little iPad here that I just wanted to give a little bit of comment, feedback, reflection on how you guys felt really about this video. So the first one is to comment down below, when is the last time that you actually moved your body? Some of us probably didn't work out till months ago. Some of us probably just wasn't consistent. Some of us haven't even raised a leg since last year. So it's nothing wrong with any of those answers. I just really want to know what my subscribers are feeling like and kind of what they're going through when it comes to their physical, their fitness journey. So another one, comment down below a number 1 through 5 on how you felt about this 10 minutes to spare. Again, this is not supposed to be something long. This is really exactly what it is, 10 minutes to spare your day. So let me know 1 through 5 how you felt about this circuit. The next one is comment one fitness goal that you have for yourself this week. That was really it. This is a 10 minutes to spare, so I just wanted to make sure the exercise was 10 minutes. And the reflection, I will always come and try to reflect with my subscribers. I will be coming back on Wednesday posting another 10 minutes to spare. So make sure you subscribe, share with another friend who you may think that needs a little bit of spice of workout in her life. Again, my name is Amani, and I appreciate everybody who tuned in, and I'll see you Wednesday.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for